In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple way to make a cup in Blender. All right, so let's start this video. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Okay, and what you can do now is to press on your keyboard Shift+A, and here make sure you select circle. Now here in vertices, here we need only 13. Here we have our circle, and what we need to do right now is to make sure you press on your keyboard Ctrl+A, apply scale, and now press tab, click here on edit mode or press tab and select everything and press F on your keyboard to fill. Let me enable screencast keys. So if you press F, this will fill in. And now we can extrude. All right. We're gonna extrude like this. I would like to enable here move and face like this, and now select this face, and on y-axis I'm gonna scale this. You can press here on y, sorry, not here but here. Now you select X and Y like this, and now just let's add a subdivision surface, Control R, so we can add some loop cuts. We can add another loop cut here like this. And now what can we do now is to press 3, select this face, click X and delete this face here. So now what I would like to add another loop cut here and move it here and S. Okay. And this Alt+Z, press Alt to select this loop cut, and I'm gonna do it like this, S to scale on Y. You can scale on Y. And so is it like this? Now press Alt, scale on Y, or not on Y but on X. So we have this sort of model here. So press Alt here in the top, press S to scale and X like this. All right, perfect. Now we need to add another modifier, which is this one, solidifier, and move this here first. I'm gonna grab this like this. So we should have solidify and then subdivide. Just increase the thickness here. That's too much. Okay, let's press Alt here again. Let's scale on X. All right, perfect. We also can add more subdivision here, and we can tab and right click and add smooth. And here we can select this edge here and press Shift plus D to duplicate, and then press P. So you'll separate this. So now we have so what we need to do right now is just to press Tab the keyboard, and here in object mode we need to select this. We just duplicated this and we separate it from our main object here. And now once you selected this that we just separated, make sure you tab on edit mode, so we are entering like this. Now press S to scale. Like this, just scale this like this. And now if we press on X, so that's in the right and that's on the left, you can see here. So now we can simply extrude like this. And we should have this type of form here. We can select now this this edge. And this is what we have. Now here, if it's not perfect, as you can see, no problem, we can play with this. We can change. Can move its position, as you can see, like this. Now if we go here in modifiers, we have, because we duplicated from our main object, our main mesh, we just duplicated, we also copied modifiers as well. So now we can also increase the thickness like this, and we can also move this part more like this. We can right click and shade smooth. So this is how you create a very simple cup. Now you can add, edit this more. Let's say you can also go in Alt Set, and we can just move this like this more, so it's not outside of this, Also right click, we add a bevel like this, and I can move this more like this. Another one here. So you can change its form more. Perfect. So yeah, you can add more details as I said, but yeah, I hope you like this. It's super simple, I know, but you know, maybe you learn something. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, if you have any questions, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next Blender tutorial.